Prepared and ready, DHR Health says losing power would be devastating.
Yeah, Channel 5's Marisol Villarreal joins us with the hospital's backup plan for life-saving COVID vaccines and also patient care.
Yeah, Oscar and Dina, DHR in Edinburgh tells me that they rescheduled their COVID-19 vaccination clinic for tomorrow instead of today because of the cold. And they also tell me that they don't want anybody to miss out on receiving their second dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. But if in case they do go through a power outage, they have a backup plan in place.
It would be devastating if the hospitals lost power. But I will tell you, we have roughly 42 generators across the hospital system. So all of our inpatient facilities all have multiple generators.
Sherry Abendroth is the Director of Emergency Management for DHR Health. She says if their hospitals were to lose power, it could be devastating for both patients and the areas where COVID vaccines are stored. But she's confident they have backup systems in place to help alleviate that.
All of our buildings where we're housing vaccine or inpatients and things of that nature have backup generator systems. And we can sustain for multiple days running on generator power. So everything is protected, everything is safe. That being said, we have not experienced any power outage at all.
Abendroth says DHR prepared for the cold weather, adding an additional generator to the conference center where they're expecting to continue recent vaccinations. She reminded us that COVID-19 vaccines must follow a strict timeline. According to the Texas Department of State Health Services, Pfizer vaccines may be stored in freezers for up to 5 days and kept at room temperature for 2 hours before mixing. The Moderna vaccine can be refrigerated for 30 days and kept at room temperature for no more than 12 hours. Neither of the vaccines can be refrozen once they've thawed out and must each be used immediately before 5 to 6 hours after exposure. DHR is still expecting Valley residents to show up for their vaccination appointments, even though they might have had to reschedule due to the cold.
We want you to come on the 21st day. However, you do have a window of opportunity after the 21 days. So it's still good. The second dose is still going to be as effective if you can come within the next few days.
And DHR will provide other updates just in case if they do decide to postpone or reschedule their COVID-19 vaccination clinics again as the Valley prepares for another cold front coming in tomorrow. In Edinburgh, Marisol Villarreal, Channel 5 News at 6.